So, what were you before this? Yeah. Hmm. That's what me and my friend Tyler over there, the one in red, front. Yeah, me and him were hunting, and some guy shot me twice. I don't know why. Whatever. I survived though somehow. My friend Tyler, he checked my heartbeat. Well, let's keep it to the group. Anyway, yeah, I woke. Apparently, I had no heartbeat, but then I woke up and that guy in the middle, the one, the middle on his legs, he he saved my life. I was in a tank and surrounded by walkers, whatever you call them. He told me just because they walk. Yeah, we were staying in that bunker for probably about a week, maybe longer. I don't even remember. No, don't keep track of time. Yeah. All right, let's catch up to them.
Come on, guys. You took it forever.
All right, be careful. Things echoed in this forest.
So we should head. Yeah.
Kind of funny.
We
I
should
can't
be
even
heading
run,
east
and you
side.
go faster than them.
All right,
Yeah, we should be in the eastern
Tyler,
side.
shh. Keep your voice down.
Yeah,
Oh, sorry. I just like him.
well, it's like saying,
Let's go.
Yeah, what's up there?
Um.
Whoa.
Um.
Be careful.
oh shit.
Oh,
The
go.
leg.
Here, I got you. Close your fine. It's wet from yesterday. It rained.
You okay?
I got you. Here, get up. I'll give you a boost. Here. Come on, you got it.
Come on,
Get
come on.
up. Yeah, it's probably medical supplies at the nurse's office. If you get, did you guys have a nurse there? Yeah. Here, get us up.
One on one that's dead.
Yeah. Come on, climb up. Oh, well,
Because of
yeah.
the
I'm in the
apocalypse.
medicine though. Here, grab my hand.
Pull him up. Pull him up.
All right.
There you go, man.
Fuck, dumbass.
Okay, you go first.
Oh shit.
Okay, man.
All right, you guys. One of you guys lead the way. You guys know.
Watch out from the edge, man.
All right, this way. Come on.
Ah, fucking
Alright.
dumbass.
Let's go.
Okay, we're in the southern
It is.
side.
It's really wide open. All right, is it over that fence? Near there. I don't know. Oh, I think it's. Oh, Jay's going that way. Yeah, we're
we're
going
going
to
to
school.
school. Yeah.
Alright.
So, okay then. From the south. Dang it. Well, at least it's in the western side of the area. Seems shabby for the cold.
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
Alright.
Come on, Glenn. We don't have to make you wait.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, good job. Where you guys at? Come on. Come on, Glenn. Grab my hand. Alright.
Ah,
Glenn, can you climb up the vines?
yeah, I guess. I can't move my leg again, but besides that,
It's gonna be stiff. You haven't moved it in a while. Maybe you should take those off for a little bit. Try to walk again. You should be able to walk. Try walking. Get down.
I guess.
Alright. It's just gonna.
I'm
It's, you
such
just
a
gotta
duck.
move it. You know. It's just a little stiff because you haven't moved it in a while. Alright, let's keep going. We can't
Josh.
stop. What?
Fucking did I lost the fucking shield.
Okay, it's fine. I can always make you a new one.
It wouldn't be the same though.
Still. Alright, I'll come over. Alright, Glenn, grab
I'm
my
sorry.
hand.
I'm sorry. There's no way I'm getting over that. My leg's not stiff. I think there's something wrong with it. I can't fucking move my leg.
Wait, alright, how about this? Jay, Glenn, I want you guys to find another way around. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Alright.